Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I just finished up the last page for my 2023 calendar, and I wanted to take a minute to show it to you before I got it hung up on the wall. So we'll just take a quick look through now that there's pictures and stuff in it, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas if this is something that you are thinking about doing. So here's my January page. And it's always interesting. I always use the Kiwi clip kits when I do these pages. But it is a mixture of the years. So this one was the January 2022 kit. Okay, so that's my mother-in-law, my hubby, and then we're out celebrating her birthday. Here's February. Best friends. My mom's in the background there, my grandbaby with my son. These make me so happy when I flip to them each month and, for the new month, hanging them up on the wall. My scrapbooks, of course, are full of photos. I just don't tend to get them out as often as I'd like. So, alrighty, this one we were up on a family vacation up in Klamath Falls, celebrating my husband's birthday, playing family games. Good stuff. Here's April. And let's see, these were all pictures from celebrating Easter. So our friends Dwayne and Veronica were in town, and then we were with my folks at a local restaurant. It was fun. This one is for May. So I'm always using pictures from the year prior. So these would have been from this last May. Me and my mother-in-law, and then me and my mom celebrating Mother's Day. June, these are a combination of things. Father's Day here, and then my husband and I celebrate our anniversary in June. So those are a couple of pictures from that day. This one's July. My birthday's in July. So this was a little trip to a local casino with my mother-in-law, and then a meal out with family and then my folks. I got to celebrate my birthday like 3 different times this year, so super fun. This is August. My son and I took a trip to go see family. This is my daughter and her fiance. We got to visit with them for a few days. And then these are 3 of my grandbabies. We got to go to Arkansas and visit with them and their parents for a few days. So, super fun. This is some photos from September when my daughter and her fiance got engaged. Love it. Super cute. And look at the pictures from this kit, you guys. So fun with the hedgehog, like the little templates from this one. The hedgehog and the mushrooms. Love it. All right. Then we've got October. This is my son Andrew. He came to visit, him and his wife and their daughter. So that's my granddaughter Izzy. Loving these. I cannot wait to get this on the wall. November, we had our big Thanksgiving event here. So celebrating with family. So I think I want to say there were 14 of us this year. Maybe more. Maybe 14. I don't know. But put some tables together and got to have a good time. My son Michael and his wife came to visit. And my sister-in-law Patty. This is my niece Nikki. Lots of fun. And then I just got the December page done. So this one is literally from just last week. Christmas dinner with my folks and my mother-in-law. Caitlin and Maddie were here from Virginia. This is my daughter and I. We were cracking up. We both came downstairs in black pants and turquoise shirts and scarves. So had to get a picture of that. But lots of fun. So I never know who is already in the process of doing these kind of calendars and making this tradition. I would love it if you would leave me a comment. Feel free to ask any questions. You know, share if you know of other people who might be interested. But I am excited to be trying to pop back on a little bit more in 2023. But I would love to hear what you'd like to see. So whatever you're doing today, I hope it's amazing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.